Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Tonight we're here at King Gillette Ranch in Calabasas, California for Holiday Road, a walk-through immersive holiday experience. Tonight's event promises larger-than-life holiday installations, thousands of Christmas lights, Santa and Mrs. Claus, joyful elves, and countless candy canes. So come along with us on this episode of The Walker Chronicles. Holiday Road runs from December 3rd through December 31st. Tickets start at $35 and go up to $45 depending on the day and the time of your ticket. A VIP ticket is also available that allows you flexible entry into the event. Please note that a parking pass is also required and costs $10. We'll link all the relevant details in the description box below. Is that Rudolph himself? Look at that. I see a big old red nose on Rudolph. Oh, you hear the song? It says, "Baby, it's cold outside." Because it's really cold outside right now. Look, it's a candy cane family. I didn't know such a thing existed as a candy cane family. And this one's got a mustache. And there's little Sally. And there's Billy. And there's Mrs. Candy Cane. She makes the family work. Alright, we're headed into the North Pole, which I believe is an area for kids to play. A bunch more photo opportunities in here. Oh, we got the Christmas polar bears. They said there'd be a lot of candy canes, and it looks like they were not lying. Oh, look at this, we got Mr. Frosty over here. Alright, time to make our way down the Holiday Road. Look at all this cast of characters that are greeting us. I think I'm seeing Mrs. Claus with a whole tray of cookies. I hope she's inside with real cookies. There's Rudolph again.
Jump, Uncle Greg, jump over.
Oh, and look at this. The man himself, Mr. Santa Claus. Alright, we are on our way in. I know I already said it, but it is very, very cold tonight here in Calabasas. It's easily in the mid to low 40s, I think, right now. Alright, we're walking across the little bridge here. I can already see all sorts of Christmas lights everywhere. I think we're in for a real treat tonight. Alright, we're at our first stop here. This was at the main sign in the main entrance. Wow, look at all these. Tons of deer, and once again, lots and lots of candy canes. In the middle here, it looks like we have Santa's sleigh coming up. Look at this. We're entering a little village here.
When I say Santa, you say Claus. Santa,
Claus,
Santa.
Claus.
When I say Saint, you say Nick. Saint,
Nick,
Saint.
Nick.
Well, Grandma was a-walking through the woods that night when along came Rudolph with his nose so bright. She tried to run and get out of the way, but she was just no match for Santa's red sleigh. Boy!
That was all freestyle.
That was really good.
That was fully freestyle.
Thank you.
Grandma got run over by a walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You may think there's no such thing as Santa,
Hi.
but as for me and Grandpa, as for me and Grandpa,
Mort's getting
as for
orders.
me and Grandpa, we believe.
Wow, look at these trees. It's absolutely beautiful. Probably hear that term a lot tonight, but it truly is beautiful here right now.
Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks and hills and plains repeat the sound of joy. Repeat the sounds of joy. Repeat, repeat the sounds of joy.
Food and cocktail section over here. Probably a good third of the way through our walk here. Let's go inside and take a look at what they got to offer.
Wonder and delight, the season to rejoice. Christmas, but I'll be missing you right next to me.
Looks like we've arrived at the North Pole here. Look at this. And if this doesn't look like the North Pole, I don't know what does.
I see now that'll cut through the murkiest storm they can dish up. What I'm trying to say is, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
It will be an honor, sir.
Uh-oh, I wonder what's over here. They got these two guards guarding this entranceway over here. I guess we're never gonna find out. They look like they might be able to stop me pretty easy. I can get a little snow on myself here. Wow, there's a lot of snow coming down. I think this is the exit tunnel. I think that's a wrap, everybody.